Hey beauties, today we're going to do a light beat. Be sure to follow me on all social media platforms, subscribe and like. First and foremost, brows, sis. You know what it is. I applied setting powder to her brows so that they didn't get oily throughout the day, and then I filled it with dip brow. Next, I'm going to line her brows with concealer and blend it out with my favorite flat fluffy brush. I set my base with concealer, of course, and then I applied a shimmer on the inner lid and then a burgundy color on the outer lid. I went along the top and I applied a white neutral color as a transition shade. I then did a reverse contour, applying concealer first and blending it out with my beauty blender. I did the remainder of the contour off camera. I set her face with the same beauty blender. Applied a little bit of highlight. And bam! Now we're gonna go ahead and take her hair down. This is very subtle, very neutral. This could pretty much go with anything. My sis is wearing Beautiful Bronze Lip Glaze by KQ Dynasty. This is literally the perfect color for her shirt. It matches on point. I love how pigmented this lip glaze is. If you guys want to purchase it, be sure to click the link below and follow me on all social media platforms, and I'll catch y'all next time.